What's going on, everybody? This your boy, Kenneth Thomas, and today I'm here to talk to you about Karatbars and what the company offers. Okay, so today I got my package in, the package that I ordered from the company that I am an independent affiliate of. The company is real, and the company delivers like they say they deliver. Okay, and the company also gives you the opportunity to generate income or extra income, or what most people call an additional money pump. Actually, 9 additional different money pumps from one company. So today, what this video is about the unpackaging of my package that came in. So what is Karatbars? Karatbars is in the business of helping people to save in gold, helping people to acquire gold in small increments, in affordable increments. You see, because not everybody can go to a jewelry store or to a place that sells gold and buy a kilogram of gold or buy an ounce of gold. So this company allows you to purchase gold in small increments. It also allows you to earn free gold. It also allows you to save in gold. So let's get at it. I'm going to flip this camera around and we're going to do this re-unboxing of the package that I received, because I've already opened it. I got excited. Wasn't thinking about video recording it. But anyway, here we go. Here goes your package. Here's how your package comes. Comes in a FedEx. If you order in a small increment, this is how the package comes. Comes in a FedEx package. Let's take a look on the inside. On the inside of that package, you get a beautiful gold envelope. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. Okay. Also within your package, you get a welcome letter and an invoice. Okay, let's go to the package, because here's what's most important. What's in this package? Within this package, you get gold, 24 karat gold, 999.9%, 24 karat gold bullion, tenths of a gram gold. Can you see that? It says gold. And down on the right side, near that little rectangular looking thing, you can see where it says 999.9% gold. And that's the gold chip. This chip is a tenth of a gram. It takes 10 of these little chips right here, these gold chips. It takes 10 of these to make 1 gram. So therefore, I ordered a total of 10 of these. I ordered a total of 10 of them. Some of them will mix up because I'm operating with one hand, okay? But I have 10 tenths of a gram of a gold, which equals 1 gram. This chip, this gold chip, with inside of this card, as you can see, it clearly says 1 gram. And also, I'm trying to get it where you can see it. There you go. Down at the bottom down there, it says 999.9% gold, fine gold. This is 1 gram of gold. Okay, so this is 1 gram of gold, and 10 of these, tenths of a gram, 10 of these make 1 of these. 29 of these 1 gram cards make 1 ounce. Why gold? Because one thing that we do know about gold is that gold increases in value over the years, just like land. For a matter of fact, it comes from the land. And it increases in value over the years. Where a lot of people will go out and they'll spend $1,000 on a cell phone. What do you think that cell phone is going to be worth in 10 years from now? 10 years in the future. What do you think the cell phone that you spent $1,000 for right now, what do you think is going to be worth 10 years from now? But if you buy gold and hold gold and save in gold, at least some of your money, put some of your money aside in gold and save your gold. You can store it in an online account, because this is what the company allows you to do. It's like an online gold saving account where you buy and save gold online, in which you can have it withdrawn at any given time you want to. So if you have a tenth of a gram, which is 1 of these, and you want to get your tenth of a gram, you can request that it be delivered, and they'll send it to your house in this nice, beautiful FedEx package. Just like this. Okay, so now what's the difference between buying an iPhone or a pair of rims for your car, $4,000 or $5,000 pair of rims for your car, versus buying gold? Well, if you buy rims for your car and you spend $5,000 for them today, 10 years from now, rims are going to be all brand new. As a matter of fact, we may not even be riding on rims. We might be floating in the air. What do you think your rims are going to be worth? What do you think your phone is going to be worth in 10 years from now? So what does wealthy people do? They save in gold. Because one thing they know is that gold increases in value. And as has been proven over time, if you go back and look at 1990, you can do a Google search. What was gold worth in 1999, or what was gold worth in 1995? And go back and then Google what is gold worth today, or what is gold worth in 2020, 24 karat gold. What is gold worth in 2020? And you'll see that increase. So imagine if you start saving in gold and buying gold and storing gold now. You see, it's not about instant gratification, because that's what a lot of us do. We want instant gratification. We want instant look good. We want to look good right now and impress people right now and spend everything we got trying to look like we have something that we don't have. It's called faking it until you make it. But guess what I learned about faking it until you make it? It costs too much to fake it till you make it. Imagine you taking all of that money you spending in your Dodge Charger, or Dodge Challenger, or your $4,000 or $5,000 rim, so you can ride up and down the road and look like you got something that you don't got. And now you out here stressing about how you gonna pay for your rims, because you know the rental rims are gonna come and snatch your rims off your car any given day, because you wasted your money trying to look good, acting like you got something that you don't got. So now you in debt for something that don't even appreciate in value. It don't gain no value. It don't gain no interest. It loses interest. The moment that you put them on your card, the moment they get to spinning, they lose value. Not only do they lose value, it's a debt, because now you have to pay for these things month after month after month after month after month, with interest and late fees and penalties. And if you don't pay, all the money that you spent, you lost. And 10 years from now, those rims, those cell phones, they're not going to be worth anything. But gold, on the other hand, as you can see through history, do your research. 1995, what was gold worth? 2020, what is gold worth? What do you think gold is going to be worth in the future? 10 years from now, ahead. So the smart man is going to say, you know what? Let me stop being foolish and spending my money on dumb stuff and start saving in gold. Start buying gold, start storing gold. And this is what our company allows you to do. This is one of the things that our company allows you to do. Not only does it allow you to buy gold and acquire gold and own gold and save in gold, but it also allows you to make money in the business of gold. So what I want y'all to do is I want y'all to click on like and subscribe down at the bottom, because I'm going to be doing a whole lot of videos. As a matter of fact, I've done some other ones. And I'm going to be doing a whole lot more, because there's going to be a whole lot of things going on in 2020. And 2020, it's the winning season for us, because I've done a lot of things in 2019 that was all about preparing. Matter of fact, for instance, something as simple as this. I have one. My wife had one. It's a survival bracelet. It's a parachute cord that you can unravel, and now you got rope. This thing has a whistle on it. It has a compass on it. It has a knife on it. It has a whistle. You can blow the whistle. Something as simple as that. And that's not the only thing I have. It's just so happened to be sitting on the counter. So there you go. I'm showing you. It's a survival bracelet. Somebody came up to me and, to attack me or something like that. Bang, snatch this off and protect myself. Get lost in the woods, you can look at this and know where north, east, south, and west is. It also has you see where my thumb is? You see that little rigid thing? That's a flint. That's a fire starter. You can actually start a fire with this thing. There you go. You can actually start a fire with it. You see it? I just pulled it out a little bit. Kind of stuck in there. You see that? That's a fire starter. Okay, I'm going to just put that right there. But that's one of the things. I also got prepared by installing my own. I literally got on the roof myself and installed my own solar panels. And I also installed a battery backup that will power my house for a total of 3 to 5 days, depending on what type of equipment I'm using, without any sunlight, before I have to set up to recharge my batteries. This is called getting prepared. Having foresight to be able to take care of your family in the event of a catastrophe. Gold, it's another one of those elements that I have, because it protects against inflation and taxation. Okay? So what is inflation, for those of who you don't know? Well, back in 1995, you can go in the store with $30 and come out with maybe a half a buggy or even a full buggy of groceries. Now you go in the store with $30, you can probably get a pack of meat, some milk, some cornflakes, maybe a few little cans of vegetables. Your $30 is gone. So what money could buy you in 1995 can't buy you today. Example, in 1995, you could have gotten an apartment for $400, $500, $600. Today, the cheapest apartment you're going to get is $800 to $1,500. And in some places, you're paying $5,000 to $8,000 a month for a closet-sized space apartment. But a lot of people ain't generating that kind of income. So guess what's happening? They're winding up homeless because the value of the dollar is not worth what it used to be worth. So what's the best solution for that? Saving in gold. Because one thing we know about gold is that gold increases according to the economical situation. Gold increases over time in value, whereas the fiat stays the same. It never changes. It is what it is. But the cost of living and the cost of goods and services are increasing, but the value of that dollar is not increasing with the cost of living. And that's called inflation. A lot of people say, oh, well, I can get a lot of the stuff that I used to get. Kind of not really, because you know what they're doing? They're inflaming your food with water to swell it up and make it look bigger, to make you think you're getting more for your money, but you're not actually getting more for your money. They're selling you little itty bitty little pieces of chicken that they've inflamed with water and made it swell up to some big huge size, and I'm getting a lot. No, you're getting a big pile of water. Or they're substituting food with artificial substance and making it look like food, so you think you're buying food when in all actuality you're buying something else, and you don't know what it is that you're buying. But it looks like food. It looks like something you're familiar with. It looks like something that you think it is, but it may not be. It's called inflation. They're giving you less when you think you're getting more. So that's why it's important to have gold in your portfolio of assets. And with the company that we deal with, this is what they allow you to do. They allow you to buy gold. They allow you to save in gold. They even allow you to generate revenue by helping other people, just like I'm helping you. It's a simple concept, a real simple concept. Sign up below in the link below. Go to General and Dashboard, follow steps 1 through 5. And then in your dashboard and complete steps 1 through 5. Don't follow them, but complete them. And once you complete steps 1 through 5, you click on your link at the top that says referral, and you help your brother, your sister, your mother, your best friends, people that you know and you love. You help them get set up to save in gold and show them how to help other people do the same thing, replicate the same system. And guess what happens when everybody follows the system? We all get paid. Just that simple. But anyway, I'm not going to waste any more of your time today, because we understand that time is valuable, but we also understand that knowledge is power. Click on the link below in the description, www.24kgoldrush.com. Make sure you sign up as an affiliate, not a customer, because there's more benefits in being an affiliate than it is being a customer. Even if you just want to go in and buy gold, by signing up as an affiliate, you can go in and you can buy gold. The company even offers cell phones and laptops currently, and they're planning on adding to that list of high-tech devices. So not only are they going to be offering gold, they're going to be offering high-tech equipment that you can generate money off of when people buy. Base it off of your referral link. Okay? So make sure you click in the link below, www.24kgoldrush.com. Sign up as an affiliate. And I'll see you all in the back office. Thank you and have a great day.